Let's see how you can add public figure tag to your Instagram bio. For that, first you have to open up your Instagram app and go to your profile. Now, if it's your personal account, you have to make it professional first. Now, hit the hamburger menu. Now, you have to select account type and tools option under the professional section. Now, go ahead and choose switch to professional account. Just hit next, and when you reach the category list, scroll through or simply search for public figure. Once you find it, select it and make sure to toggle on display on profile so it shows up publicly. After that, continue with the steps and confirm everything to complete the switch. I set up it later, and just like that, you will now see public figure right there in your Instagram bio. But if your account is already a professional account, just you wanna add public figure, for that you have to go for edit profile option, and from the category section, to set it public figure and must select display on profile option. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.